Good day, everyone.
Good day, ma'am.
How are you, class?
I'm okay po,
How are you?
ma'am.
It's good to know. So, for today's discussion or for today's topic, we have correcting knowledge on sound symbol correspondence. To discuss the correct, let me pull up my file for the second slide.
Ma'am, your voice is too low. We
Okay.
can't hear you, ma'am.
Am I audible this time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see my presentation now?
Yes, ma'am.
I have here vowels. Ezra, or please read. What are the vowels
Yes,
are?
ma'am. A, E, I, O, U.
Can you
A,
read it in English?
E, I, O, U. A,
Okay,
E, I, O, U. Okay.
Okay, that's great. So we have the vowels A, E, I, O, U. A, the sounds of A is apple. E, elephant.
Elephant.
And then I,
I, E.
E,
E.
insect.
Insect.
O,
Octopus. Octopus.
octopus. And then U, the sounds of U is umbrella. So let's proceed to our next slide. Okay, please, Ezra.
First word is
read the word.
flu. The second word is buy. Flu and buy.
Okay, thank you. So let us check if you pronounce it correctly. In rule number 1, we have, or in rule number 1, in words containing a single vowel letter at the end of the word, the vowel letter usually has the long vowel sound.
The word FLU is flu.
Flu. Okay. And then the next one, B-Y-E.
The word BYE is buy.
So the vowel letter usually has the long vowel sound. So great job, Ezra. So how about this one? Kindly read these words, Ezra.
The first word is, I think, style. Then the second word is cycle. Style and cycle.
Okay, let us check if you pronounce it correctly. Because in rule number 2, so let's check. A syllable, vowel letter at the end of the syllable, which is E. So the syllable ending with the vowel letters E. In style, we have E, and in cycle, we have E also. So these words have either short vowel sound. So great job, Ezra. Okay, let's proceed to third rule. So in third rule, we have a single vowel in a syllable has the short vowel sound if it is not the last letter or is not followed by the consonant R, W, and L. So Elena is not, or her mic is not functioning well. So Ezra, please read these words again.
The first word is bad. The second word is bed. Bad and bed.
Okay. So again, let's check. This syllable has the short vowel sound because the vowel is not followed by the consonant R, W, and L. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Class?
Yes,
Okay, thank
ma'am.
you for your response. Okay, let's proceed to rule number 4. So let's check our example. Better or our. Better or our. So let's proceed to our rule number 5. Again, Ezra, please read these two words.
Ma'am, the two words, first word is yeast. Yeast. The second is sky. Yeast and
Okay.
sky.
Okay, thank you, Ezra. So in rule, a Y at the beginning of a word has the Y consonant sound. Y at the end of a single syllable word when preceded by a consonant usually has a long sound. And Y at the end of a multisyllable word when preceded by a consonant usually has the long E sound. Yeast and sky. So we have the sounds of Y. The sounds of Y is Y. Please repeat after me. Y.
Yes, ma'am. Ye,
Y. Y.
ye, ye.
Okay. A Y at the beginning of a word has the Y consonant sound. So the word yes has the Y consonant sounds, right?
Yes, ma'am. I can hear you.
Okay. So the word yes has the Y consonant sounds. So you are the vowels usually has the long sounds. So let us try the second word, the sky. Y is preceded by a consonant, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So according to rule number 5, and Y at the end of a multisyllable word, when preceded by a consonant, usually has the long E sound. So we have the long E sound there. So good job, class. So let's proceed to rule number 6.
In words ending with vowel consonant silent E, the E is the silent and the first vowel may be neither long or short.
Elena, can you read this word
E,
by now? Okay. Again,
E,
8. 8. Or can you hear the sounds of the vowel E in the word 8?
8.
Sound?
No, ma'am. I
Okay.
can only hear A and T.
Okay. And this in rule number 6, in words ending with vowel consonant silent E, the E is silent and the first vowel may be or short. Is the sounds of A, and then E is silent. Understood?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how about this? How about these words? Who wants to try? Who wants to read?
Ma'am, I want to read.
Okay, Ezra, you please read.
1. Rain. 2. Tray. 3. Beat. Beat. 4. B. B. 5. Coat.
Okay, thank you, Ezra. So A-Y, E-A. EE and OA are found together, the first vowel is usually long and the second is usually silent.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in AI, we have rain. In AY, we have tray. In EA, we have bit. In EE, we have B. And OA, we have coat together. So, therefore, first vowel is usually long and the second is usually silent. So, how about rule number 8? Who wants to read?
Can I read, ma'am?
Oh, May.
The vowel pair O, W may have either the sound heard in cow or the sound heard in crow. Am I right, ma'am?
Okay, thank you, Elena. Okay. Ezra, you want to read?
Yes, ma'am. The yellow one, ma'am.
Okay.
Yellow, window, arrow.
The sound heard in cow is ow.
The
Ow.
sound
Ow.
ow.
Okay. And the sound heard in crow is o.
O.
O. Okay.
O.
So, good job, class. Okay. So, in rule number 9.
I want to read.
Okay, yes, Ezra, please read.
When ow, ow,
A-U.
AW, OU, OI, and OY are found together. They are usually blend to form a diphthong.
Diphthong. Or what is diphthong meaning?
Ma'am, wait lang po.
We...
Ma'am, I don't know the meaning of diphthong po.
I also don't know the word diphthong.
Okay.
I encountered that word today.
Meaning of diphthong is diphthong is a vowel sound in which the tongue changes position to produce the sound of two vowels. Again, diphthong is a vowel sound in which the tongue changes positions to produce the sound of two vowels. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Ezra.
AU, author, applause. AW, draw, straw. OU, cloud, house. OI, noise, point. OY, enjoy, oyster.
Okay, thank you, Ezra. And when these vowels are found together, they usually blend to form a diphthong. And diphthong means is a vowel sound in which the tongue changes position to produce the sound of two vowels, right?
Yes, ma'am. AU, I want to give example.
For AU, okay.
It's cause.
Cause, okay.
For
How about
AW, po.
Pause.
Or let's
Okay, how about OU?
OU. Mouse.
Okay, how about OI?
Voice. Noise. I don't
For the OI, ma'am,
Okay, can you give an example for
is it-
OI, Elena?
is it acceptable for the word voice?
Voice, yes, correct.
for OI, joy.
For OY,
Joy.
okay. all answers are correct. Good job, class. So for our next rule, these are example or these are words for that. Again, Ezra.
Book, cook, and hook. Book, cook, hook. Ooh, book.
Okay. So these words have the short uu sound. So the short uu sound is So these words have the short uu sound. So book, cook, and hook. Understood?
Yes.
Elena, please read.
Is wood, shoot.
Because the uu sound here is long. So,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Last, for our last rule, please read. Who wants to read?
Ma'am, I want to read.
Okay, Ezra, please read.
If A is the only vowel in a syllable and is followed by L, is that L, ma'am, or I? L or W?
L.
L or W, then the A is usually neither long nor short.
Okay, thank you, Ezra.
No,
The low
pa
and
lang.
tall is followed by consonant W and L. So in our last rule, if A is the only vowel in a syllable and is followed by L or W, then the A is usually neither long nor short. So do you have any question for our discussion today?
None, ma'am.
I hope you class learn from our discussion. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Goodbye,
ma'am.
and thank you, ma'am.